The much-awaited 5G services are rapidly catching up with consumers as telecom majors carry out beta trials in several cities. While Bharti Airtel is currently undertaking such trials in 8 cities, Reliance Jio's testing is also underway in 6 cities. Vodafone Idea, however, hasn't mentioned any specific timeline. It is expected to roll out 5G network progressively over the next few years. The progress is reflected in the telco's September quarter results as well. Bharti Airtel's consolidated net profit jumped 89% year-on-year on a 22% revenue growth in Q2. The company aims to provide 5G services across all of urban and key rural areas by March 2024. Reliance Jio's net profit, on the other hand, rose 28% year-on-year during the quarter. Jio targets complete 5G rollout by December 2023. Both Jio and Airtel saw their average revenue per user growing sequentially to 177.2 and 190 rupees respectively. Against this backdrop, the prospects for the telecom sector remain bright. Analysts believe affordably priced 5G services will likely be another disruptor for the industry.
Going back 10 years when 4G was launched, it was expected to be a premium offering, but the game changed with the launch of Jio in 2016. 4G became a disruptor that changed the way people consume data as it was available at an affordable price. Early indications are that 5G too would be attractively priced initially at 4G price. Now, 5G will be a far bigger disruptor than 4G. Other than super speed and low latency, IoT would be the biggest beneficiary of 5G, and it will drive the major digital transformation, especially in the fields of business processes, transportation, smart IT, and public safety. In India, the major beneficiaries would be the telecom players. Despite the fine pricing for 4G, both Bharti and Jio created wealth for its respective shareholders. Now, 5G will further increase the divide between them and Vodafone Idea, which would be a distant third, whereas others will be in the category of also ran. So, effectively, it would be a duopoly in the longer run.
On the bourses, Bharti Airtel has rallied the most among peers so far during FY23 with a 10% gain, while Vodafone Idea has shed 11% during this period as compared to a 4% rise in the BSE Sensex. However, analysts at Jefferies have downgraded Bharti Airtel's stock to hold as they believe its growth potential has largely been factored in. With upcoming state elections, tariff hikes are most likely to take place in Q4. Besides, network costs as well as operating expenses are likely to rise faster amidst 5G rollout and launch, according to Jefferies. The rush to launch 5G services will also benefit telecom equipment providers, analysts say. Stocks of Nelco, ITI, and HFCL, for instance, have gained 5 to 16% so far since April.
Among the ancillaries, I would be bullish on Sterlite Technologies as well as HFCL due to the order flows during the first 2 years of rollout of 5G.
Besides, HFCL has recently been selected among 42 others for the production-linked incentive scheme for telecom and networking products to support import-dependent verticals of 5G equipment. That said, the market will track global cues today ahead of the US Fed's policy outcome. Adani Transmission, JK Paper, and M&M Financial Services are some of the prominent companies that are scheduled to announce their respective September quarter results on Wednesday.
If you like this video, share it and subscribe to Business Standard. For more news, views and insights, log on to www.business-standard.com. Do also follow us on YouTube, Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, Telegram and LinkedIn.